My only influence as far as work was concerned was Rodin. I didn't work the way he did, but in studying his work and getting to Paris and getting to the Rodin Museum, I was able to physically see and look at his later work. The standard stuff, the portraiture that Rodin did, didn't interest me at all. What interested me was his larger pieces and how he attacked them. And the thing that I learned from Rodin, more than any other sculptor I've ever looked at, and I've looked at everybody because that's part of the game, was that there's perfection and imperfection. That what we strive for as a painter or as an artist is an impossible goal. What we should do is take our idea, build whatever armature we have to build in order to get a basic shape to what we're going to do. And then in working with the material, let it work for us. Don't struggle with it. Because if you do, you're going to lose, because the material has, for me, material has always had a voice. I was a carver for a while. I worked in marble. I worked in wood. I worked in marble and it was a disaster. It was just, it fought too much. The material fights too much with you. Wood is more malleable, so I was able to bring wood around to, and wood was able to bring me around to something that I could look at and say, yes, this is good.